Welcome to this episode of the AI Chefs. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to use the Zoom Custom AI Companion add-on to create an avatar like this one that you can use to record clips that look and sound pretty much like you. Well, welcome to this episode of the AI Chefs, and welcome, Chef David.
Good to see you, Chef Kevin.
Well, it's always good to be in the AI kitchen. And I'm recently back from a conference called Comsverse, which was in the UK. And so the recipe for today, I'm calling Bangers and Dopplegangers. And I'm going to show you how to use Zoom AI Companion to create a custom avatar. But Chef David, a question for you. Are you familiar with kind of the British comfort food called bangers and mash?
Yeah. And it's one of those things that I think Americans make fun of, but I think I would love it. It's just my kind of a dish.
Yeah, so bangers and mash, it's typically pork sausage, mashed potatoes made with lots of butter and cream, and then kind of covered with a rich onion gravy, right? So that's bangers and mash.
Brown
But
British food.
there you go. But this is bangers and doppelgangers or custom avatars. So let me share my screen and I'm going to walk you through the process of using Zoom AI Companion with the custom AI Companion add-on that you need to pay, the additional $12 per user per month to get these additional superpowers. With Zoom includes AI Companion at no additional cost with any paid plans. But then you've got these extra superpowers like I'm going to show you that's part of what they call the custom AI Companion. So let's go through and I'm going to show you how to use that to kind of create your own doppelganger.
All right, folks, Kevin gave me a sneak peek. This is a good one. You're going to want to, this is really cool.
Okay, so I can't show you live because it uses video to record the video for your avatar. So I've got some kind of screen captures that I created. So basically, here's the Zoom home screen, and you go up and you click on clips up on the toolbar there. That's
by the way. Quick pro tip: Zoom has dark mode. Just saying. Continue. Sorry.
Hey, I like light mode for screens. There you go. Oh well, okay. Chef David is but you're dressed. Look, you're all in dark. See, like
I'm in dark mode and you're in light mode. This is perfect.
Yeah, exactly. It's the yin and yang of cooking in the AI kitchen. Okay.
That's awesome.
So you go up to the top, you click on clips. There's lots of things. We've talked about this before. Zoom is much more than meetings. Clips is one of those things. So you click on that and you get into the clips. Now, clips allows you, there's 18 pre-generated avatars. But we want to create a custom one, and you can kind of see, I already did it, but we're going to go through the process and show you. So what we do then is we click on create custom avatar just above these 18 avatars. And what will happen then is it brings up basically this screen here, and it gets you to confirm that you're okay with recording your likeness, your facial geometry, and your voice. And so it has a little thing there. You can read it. It says you agreed that you're going to do this. Zoom, it also says if you ever want to delete that information from the Zoom servers, you can do that at any particular time. So you say, okay, great, we're going to continue and do that. To make sure that you're not somehow making an avatar of someone else and getting them to say things, it's pretty interesting. So it'll give you at the beginning just some random movement. So it asks you to turn your head or blink your eyes, and you don't know what it's going to do. So if you somehow, I guess, pre-recorded a video of somebody else and you're trying to somehow feed it in, it doesn't let you do that. And then it has you read a code as well. So there's a 4-digit code. And the first time I did this recording, I didn't realize I had to read the code. And then when it went to create the avatar, it said, hey, I can't create the avatar because we didn't detect that you read the code. So in other words, maybe you're trying to do something you shouldn't. So anyway, so you do that. And then basically you're going to look at the camera and talk for at least 30 seconds. It needs at least 30 seconds of your voice and to get your, AI generated voice. You can talk to for up to 2 minutes. You see this when you do it, you get this countdown timer. I tried to talk for a minute 30 because I figured it would do a little bit better hearing, I don't know, the different, the sounds, the parts of speech are called phonemes. So I figured the more I said, the more I would have to work with. Um, and then at the end, it does this. You see, it says generating Kevin Keeler. This kind of feel. Did you watch that the sci-fi Westworld where they
No, I haven't
created
seen that one.
Okay, so it's a little creepy because this, when I saw this, it's like generating Kevin Keeler. I felt like it was creating this clone. In Westworld, there's these human-looking robots that are indistinguishable from humans. So at least right now, this hopefully is not creating some actual robot that now exists in the world. But so once it's generated, now you can use your avatar in clips. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to actually do this live. So here we are. I'm going to switch over to Zoom because I can do this part and in clips. So what I do is I go into clips, I pick which avatar. So I'm going to use my little avatar here. And so I can get myself to say whatever I want. So I can say, hi, Chef David. Welcome to this episode of the AI Chefs. And what I do is I say create clip, and it will then go and it's going to basically queue up this particular clip here. It's generating. It's pretty fast because this was short.
Yeah.
Now, here's a couple things. You can generate up to 3 custom avatars per month with the standard kind of with the plan, and you can have your avatar or your avatar or other avatars speak up to 3 minutes in length. So you can't give like a 30-minute presentation. And the base plan includes up to 6 minutes of avatar speech per month. Now you can use more, but you have to buy additional minutes, and I don't actually know. This is pretty new, so I'll try to get the pricing and put it in the comments below. But so here's the particular clip, and I think I've set it to share the audio. So let me just play it. Hi, Chef David. Welcome to this episode of the AI Chefs. Okay, so it was talking pretty fast. I don't know if you can
It's a little
if you
robotic.
can control it. I have a little bit. I'll play one more clip, Chef David. This is just 14 seconds. It's a little longer, and for some reason it's a little slower, but here we go. Welcome to this episode of the AI Chefs. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to use the Zoom Custom AI Companion add-on to create an avatar like this one that you can use to record clips that look and sound pretty much like you. So that one was a little robotic, and so
But still,
maybe
that's you. That's
it's
you.
pretty good, right? And you
Yeah.
can see, look, I mean, it's me. It's like a clone. So
Yeah.
I just did it a little bit earlier, today. So it's like that's why I'm wearing the same thing. So
Wow.
I can now, tomorrow, if I needed to send out a message to people and I didn't feel like, recording it or I don't know, showering or shaving, I could use my custom avatar here, type in a little bit, and then send that clip. And as long as my message was less than 3 minutes, there you go. I would have bangers and doppelgangers. I think that this is a pretty cool recipe.
Yeah.
David, maybe I could even call it a banger.
Oh, I see what you did there.
There you go. Well, so
Nice.
welcome to, thanks for joining us in the AI Kitchen. And please like and subscribe.
We'll see you next time. Thanks.